This is not really an unboxing, but just more showing off something I've been working on. I'm waiting on some speaker cables from an Australian company that reached out to me, or maybe I reached out to them, I forget. But they are called NB speaker cables, and they make some cool cables. They were on Reddit. You may find me on Reddit once in a while. I'm on Reddit as Joe and Tell, and they were on there recommending the people to DIY their own speaker cables. So I looked into their profile and I realized that they were actually a speaker cable company. And so I thought that it was cool that they were telling people like, hey, if you're looking to save some money, then do it yourself. If you just want to buy some, then, you know, that's what they offer. So I'm waiting on their cables to arrive, but until then, they kind of gave me the itch to kind of make my own cables, and that's what I did. And you know what the thing is? With these cables, I think it makes you kind of feel like they're better quality, and it's just more fun, like, to connect and disconnect them. So what I did was I got some 12 gauge cable from Monoprice. I'm going to leave a link to all of the products in the description below. And so I got some 12 gauge, and this is CL2. And then I also got some Tech Flex cable and different types of banana plugs. And so I was experimenting with different types of plugs here on the end to see which ones I liked. Overall, I'm really happy with the way they came out. I also got a variety pack of heat shrink tubing just to kind of finish the ends here. I'm pretty happy with the way they came out, and I love plugging them in. I'm not a cable person. I don't have very much experience with it, but to me, the most important thing is just the thickness of the wire. If you have wire that's too thin and running them at long distances, then you will sacrifice some quality, especially in the bass region. So make sure you have cable that's at least thick enough, and with some nice banana cables, because it makes it easier to plug and unplug. Nobody likes those little screwy things on the back. Who likes to do that? Especially when the receiver's like tucked in somewhere. It's so much easier to just plug in wires, like plug them in, take them out if you have to move them or change out speakers. Banana plugs are the way to go. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way that these came out, but I'm still waiting on those NB speaker cables. I'm excited to see those. I'm sure they're gonna look a lot cooler than the ones I made. So yeah, try it yourself. Again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for all of the stuff that I used to make these cables.